I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the auto macro feature on your camera on your iPhone. Our first step is to open up our settings app, and then we'll scroll down to camera and open up the camera settings. Next, we'll scroll down here and see macro control. This is the automatic control here that we're going to disable that toggle. So now if I have my camera out and I'm looking at my AirPods case here and I zoom in real close, it will no longer automatically switch to the ultra wide lens or the regular lens or whichever lens it prefers. It will just try to focus using the current lens on the little dust and debris that I have here on the AirPods. And if I want to, then I can switch to the ultra wide lens or whichever lens I choose without it automatically doing that for me. And now you should be all set with your disabled auto macro feature on your iPhone camera. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.